Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme device to Poco C75. Begin by opening Play Store on both of them and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. And allow in first two pop-ups. Then whatever you want to in all the other ones. Now it's time to select Send at the bottom left corner of Realme and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Poco. Also on Realme, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will pick only a few though, just for example. Now hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. If you want to scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!